AMS Bowfishing here, and today let's take a look at the Retriever Pro Bowfishing Reel. Bar none, the simplest, most durable bowfishing reel on the market, and a design that has proven itself for over 40 years. Let's take a look at some of the key features. 25 yards of 200-pound high visibility Dacron line. A line retainer to hold your line in place when the shot needs to be taken. Zero drag. Light pressure on the trigger to retrieve your line. And unlike competing bottle reels and spinners on the market, there is no button switch for the shot, just draw, aim, and shoot. An integrated quiver with toolless forward mounting system and quick release makes adjustment, removal, and arrow storage a breeze. Add in the heavy-duty brass gear and pinion, aluminum trigger, composite housing, and stainless steel fasteners. This reel was meant to last. Plus, it's made right here in-house in the USA. So what do you say? Grab your Retriever Pro from AMS, add it to your bowl, and we'll see you on the water.